Hi guys, welcome back to Soft T-shirt Hack. Today in this video I'm going to show you a simple trick of how to change page background in Word. If you want to change the background of the full page, you can simply go to design and here you have this page background option. You can click on page background and select any desired color. I will select black color and the color is changed. But if you want to change the background color of header or footer specifically different from the other page, so just double click in the header and go to insert, and in the shapes select a rectangle shape and drag the shape. Make the lines according to the header lines, and now here you have the shape outline. Make it no and change the color, and here you can change it like that. But what if you have text on the page, you want to change the background of a specific part? For this I will go to a new page where I have this text, and let's say I want to change the background of this part. So for this I will go to insert, add rectangle. Now here you can change the background color. Now the text is hidden, so make it over. You can change the wrap text and make it behind the text, and now you can see the text over this background color. That's how you can change the background of the page or background of a selected area in Word. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.